Do you want to know how you can reset all of the notification settings on your Telegram account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can reset all of the notification settings on your Telegram. Let's go ahead and start with the video. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Click on the menu which is on the left hand side and go to settings. Scroll a bit down, you can see notifications. Tap on it, you can see that this is the notification settings. Sometimes there will be disruptions and there might be some errors and your notifications might be turned on or off. You want to reset it? If yes, then let me teach you. Scroll all the way down on the notification settings and you can see reset all notifications. So you can undo all custom notification settings for your contacts, groups and channels. Go ahead and click reset all notifications and then click reset again. This way all notification settings were reset to default. I hope this video about how you can reset all notification settings on your Telegram account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.